Okay, welcome to the Coldwell Banker New Homes training, how to add a row in a table. First, you need to access the Joomla, so enter your username and password details. Then go to Article Manager, which is under the main menu. Then you'll see a list of articles on your page. Click the article that you wish to edit, for example, West. And once the West opens, then you will see the regular editor on the main screen, a whole bunch of cells, numbers, and other parts or bits of information. The best way, or the safest way, in my opinion, is just to click Edit HTML Source. So click here. Then it will open up the codes. Or the inline codes for the table. Before we look at updating the codes, we need to go back to the main site, which is here. I just clicked West and it pulled up the price list under West. So let's say we want to double this first row where it says lot number, size, M2, land, house, etc. The first blue row. So we're going to go back to the codes, which is here, and the codes are in order from top to bottom as we see the article on the page. So the first row, TR, is here, the opening tag, and then the closing tag is here at the bottom with the slash. So this is one complete row starting from the opening tag to the closing tag. So the easiest way is obviously a crash course. Just copy this, Control C, hit the cursor here and then another space and then Control V. So now I have doubled the row, exact same information. Now I'm going to click Update, which is, I'm just going to move this window up a little bit so you can see it. Click Update here. Now we're back to the main editor screen in the same article entitled West. Then we hit Save. And we see my browser is saving now, and we went back to the main Article Manager menu. If we go back to the main screen, we don't see the change as of yet until we click Refresh or Reload. And then we can see that now the row has doubled. One thing, or the next step, would be how to edit the information. So go back to the article that we just edited, click Edit HTML Source again, and so let's identify the rows. So this is the first row, first blue row, highlighted here, so opening tag TR and closing tag. Then the new row that we have added is starting from here, opening tag to the closing tag. So if you want to edit the text, we have to look for the P class, and then there's opening bracket, closing bracket, then there's a word, the symbol, the number sign, and then another opening /P closing bracket. So how to edit? We need to edit the middle part here. So let's just put test, and this between these two tags. We're going to click Update, and then once again click Save. Wait for the browser to save everything. Okay, now we're back in the main Article Manager menu, and let's click Reload. Scroll down, we can see the word test. Alright, so that is how you would edit your row. If you need to delete cells, obviously you just delete the tags. Colors as well would have to be, if you want to copy a white colored row, I would recommend finding this row here, for example, copying it and then edit as necessary. Once again, this is only a crash course, and I hope it helps. Talk to you later.